In today's video, we'll try to learn our last pay head creation for our channel, which is gratuity. For this, come here, get web tally, then go with pay heads under payroll masters. And name will be the gratuity. So I'll just put the name gratuity. Gratuity. End of the list, and pay head type will be the gratuity, and then the slab will be the gratuity days of a month. I want to put 26 days, so I'll select 26 here. Then from 1 to 60, that means for first 5 years no gratuity is given, so I will select 0. And next one is 61 to 120, means for next 5 years gratuity is given for minimum 100 days per year, so it will be 20. I want to select, so I'll select 20. And from 121 to onwards on above 121 means for above 10 years gratuity is given for minimum 100 days per year, so I'll select, just I want to put the eligibility days is 70, so I'll just select this. And under will be the provisions, so I'll select provisions, set all the taxes. I don't want to change it, so I'll made it no rounding method. I want to made in normal rounding, and rounding limit I want to put 1, so I'll select 1. Opening balance, if you want to, or if you have any opening balance, you can put it here. I don't have any, so I'll just press enter and skip this, accept, yes. The gratuity creation and the last pay head creation of our channel is completed. In our next video, we will try to learn how to create of salary details. For creation of salary details, there are few steps, so I will discuss the few steps in our next video. So this is for today. Thank you for watching.